Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install PyCharm. So first of all, let's go to our browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. So let's type PyCharm and we'll get JetBrains. Yes, this one. So you can choose this, download. Uh we can just close this up. So we can just click this download button again. Okay, accept all anyways. So that doesn't hurt us anymore. So again, let me just show you this download. See, PyCharm. Let's cross this out. It's downloading. So let's give it time, to download. So do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? You must give it yes, or else it won't be. So here you give the next so that you'll be able to proceed on the process. So just give next and next and next, and then it started installing. So we can see that this is so slow, so it's all normal, nothing to worry about. Okay, maybe let me just pause this video until it's installed. So it's installed for me. Just a minute. Yeah. So now we can just say run. Uh I'm gonna say no because I don't want it to go anymore because I already have PyCharm here. So if I upload this, my old code will go off. So I don't want that. So I'm not gonna do that. But if you haven't installed PyCharm, if it will definitely, you should definitely click yes, and the next step you'll be able to do it. So that's it for today, guys. But wait a minute, I have a breaking news for you. So this is the breaking news. My club links for WhatsApp it's this, and for Reddit it's this. You can choose anyone because the content is same on both WhatsApp and Reddit. So that's completely your choice. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the group and also tomorrow in the video. So bye. See you tomorrow.